So you want to be able to control your garage door opener from your phone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your LiftMaster garage door opener to your Wi-Fi using the MyQ app, so it's easy to open and close your garage door anytime from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet or even any other smart device you may already have. I will have to confess, there were many occasions where I left my house with my family, and halfway to our destination, my wife and I start questioning each other if we indeed closed the garage doors. And there were no ways for us to check other than hope that we actually closed the door. If you click on this video, I assume that you have been in some sort of a similar situation and you want to make your life easier. Here's a list of what you will need to get this done. First thing you want to do is to download the MyQ app onto your smartphone or tablet. It's really made for phones, but it also works on tablets. And you will need to create or to set up a MyQ account for that. The second thing that you will need is to make sure that your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services are on, and that your phone or tablet is also connected to the same Wi-Fi you intend to connect your garage door opener. Once you have the app ready, open it and click on Add Device, where you will then choose your garage door opener. Next, you will need to select the type of opener. Mine is a ceiling installed. And before you get started, it's going to give you a list of what you're going to need, such as access to your opener, a strong Wi-Fi signal inside your garage. You will also need your Wi-Fi password for that, and then you will want to enable Bluetooth and allow location services in your device. The next screen should ask you to select your switch. You will see 3 different wall controls. Pick the one that looks like yours. Find the Learn button and press it. This might be different depending on your unit model. Mine has a Learn button both on the wall switch and the motor and in the motor unit. You should hear a beep on the garage door opener once you press the button. Tap next on the app and then you should see the garage door opener appear on your Wi-Fi list. Go ahead and choose that. Put in your Wi-Fi password and you should only have to wait a moment before it's connected. You can give your garage door opener a name, and this is great for those with multiple garage doors in their property. Once you do that, then hit next. As far as getting connected to the Wi-Fi, that's pretty much it. Now when you open the app, to open or close the garage doors, it's really simple. Just hit the large garage door button in the middle of the app and your garage door should open or close immediately. If you are not on your Wi-Fi and you are using your cellular signal or any other Wi-Fi for that matter, or let's just say you are away from home, once you hit the garage door button, the garage door opener starts beeping like crazy and the lights start blinking to warn everyone around that the garage doors are about to close. The app also has a spot where you can add some connectivity features like Amazon Prime. You can link MyQ app with your Prime membership for in-garage deliveries using the Key by Amazon app, which could come up handy sometimes. And the other cool feature the app has is to show you for how long the garage door has been open or closed. It also shows you the user's history of how many times it has been opened or closed. You can also set up a schedule to have your garage door close every night at a certain time, just to make sure you don't forget it. There are also several other things that you can do with the MyQ app, such as linking it to the Ring app, Google Assistant, IFTTT if this then that, Vivint, Tesla, and more. And for security, you can add biometrics and passcode. That's it for this video, guys. You can say thank you by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video if it was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.